I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get easy yen in DemonFall. Earning yen efficiently is crucial for progressing and acquiring valuable items. We'll explore the best strategies to quickly build your in-game wealth, focusing on methods that provide consistent and substantial rewards. Whether you are a new player or looking to optimize your farming, these tips will help you maximize your yen income and enhance your gameplay experience. One of the most lucrative ways to earn yen is by farming perfect crystals. These rare items sell for a generous 6,000 yen each. You can also find green jewels, which are worth 3,100 yen. To maximize your gains, repeatedly join and leave servers to reset crystal spawn points, allowing you to collect many crystals quickly from known locations like Coast Forest or Okaya Village. Another excellent method involves defeating specific demons. The Crystal Demon, for instance, drops 1,000 yen and a crystal essence upon defeat. Each crystal essence can then be sold for an additional 3,000 yen. Additionally, farming axe demons is a reliable way to earn, as their demon collars sell for 200 yen each, providing a steady income stream. Beyond farming, engaging in quests is a solid way to earn yen. Look for village protection missions and crow quests, which often provide good monetary rewards. You can also mine and sell ores, such as iron ore for 60 yen. Finally, consider trading valuable items like crystal essences or other rare drops with fellow players to secure large sums of yen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.